Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Gajala Ugonrat Sangma, Habayakren Bikinong Tokubor Ulayatu. Bahagini ki kindiat sni ulalet shanong ba Delhi, Bad yakindu Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng Halor bun kimat ki badan kam jong Gajala. Menteri Rangba Ulayatu, Bakile yakindu Menteri ke Tnat kam Pohïing ke Sorkar Pedeng Wamit Shah, Hakaba, Lasan ran lang de Nongïalam Niam na Gajala, Banagathan Jatilam Mingi. Hakaba kile yakren Sani bha Halor ka amendment ya ka Fcra Act. Kajing yakren kalong bas Tnat hakaba Menteri kam Pohïing ka Sorkar Pedeng ulabatai Halor ka sinjam ba ka Sorkar ka shim. Ulakular ba unsa pule bnia ya ka dorkas bakila IT hau bat ulaong ru ba unsa khot biang Nongïalam Niam na ka thanjete lam mingi hakaba Home Secretary unsngap ya kajing pensngo jong Nongïalam Niam bat pensngo ru Halor kani ka amendment bill.
The first meeting we had was with the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji. And in that meeting, I was accompanied by leaders of different churches and different denominations from Meghalaya and some from the rest of the Northeast also. And we had a detailed discussion on the amendments to the Fcra Act. The discussions were very positive in the sense that there was a lot of concerns that were raised by us. At the same time, the Honorable Home Minister took the initiative and trouble to explain all the different aspects to the people and representatives who were there from our side. And the memorandum which was given to him and the different points that were mentioned, he has assured us that he will be going through each of these points and discussing and giving a detailed reply back to us. Plus, on top of that, he has also decided to invite different church leaders from the Northeast in the next 2 weeks' time, where Home Secretary will sit with the different church leaders and listen to their concerns and address their concerns and also present the facts about the amendment bill and also share the concerns of the government. So this of course was done after a request was put in from my side that to get more clarity, maybe Home Secretary could have this kind of a broad-based discussion. And I'm thankful to the Honorable Home Minister for accepting that suggestion. And we are waiting for the formal invite. So maybe in about 10 days to 14 days time, we will be invited once again to Delhi by the Home Secretary for the discussions.